Hello everyone, we are down inside the bunker because I want to show you something that I have been looking for 13 years and it finally completes the bunker. So I have every single piece of equipment that was ever in the bunker, and here it is. It's my master clock. So this is a Smith's Astral and it's a brass bulkhead clock. And it dates from just before the Second World War, and it is an ex-Royal Navy clock. I know that because it's Admiralty stamped inside, and it's absolutely beautiful. For the last 7 months it has been restored for me back to 100% working condition, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I haven't actually wound this in well over a week, so I'm really surprised that it's still running. I only fitted it, a week ago, and I'm amazed that it is still running. It's called an 8-day clock, which generally means it runs for 7.5 days, and then starts to slow down. So the time is actually wrong on it. It's about 45 minutes slow. Yeah, about 45 minutes slow. So that means the main spring is nearly done. So I'm going to wind it up now and get it back to the right time. So quick jump cut, and I'll get the face open and let you have a look how you wind it up. Okay, so to open the clock face, you just pull this little tab here, and the clock face opens, and it's beautifully made out of brass. Really nice clock, really nice condition. And we've got the little winding key here. Now this board has always been here, this little brass hook has always been here, and those screw holes have always been here. So I know from the ex-observers who used to work here that this is the exact clock they have on the wall. So I replaced the battery operated clock with the proper original wind-up clock, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so pleased to get my hands on it finally, and that completes everything in the post. I'm here, I'm about to meet a journalist who wants to interview me for a local newspaper for the European Heritage Open Days that are coming up soon. So I'm just up, cut the grass, make the post look as good as possible, and I brought some bits of equipment with me. I have still more to bring down actually. So he's coming in about half an hour, but yeah, clock looks absolutely awesome. So the current time is coming up to 14 minutes past 5. So first thing I will do is do that, and in fact I will do it to there, because by the time, actually no, I'll do it halfway. So when the second hand passes over, I'll insert the key, and you see you get a nice satisfying click as you turn it. And apparently you just turn it until it stops. There we go, that's it, stopped. And you can actually hear the spring is now much stronger inside. And then we can close that, and I'll just check my watch. And there we go. So absolutely fantastic. So that just finally completes everything in the bunker. I'll come back here and just look around, but now the bunker is exactly as it would have been when the post was operational, and the Smith's Astral just completes it. But yeah, as I say, there's all the brass screws there, and all those screw holes were there in that board, and you could see where they'd marked it off and measured it to put it up. And I'll throw some period photographs up now showing some other posts with the clock on the wall. But yeah, really happy to get my hands on that. Really happy. Hopefully you've been enjoying the live streams. I'm hoping to do a live stream of my open day, and that's going to be coming up on the 9th of September, Saturday the 9th of September. So we're probably going to kick off the live stream at about 11 a.m. and that will run through until about 4 p.m. Or for however long the battery lasts for on the laptop and everything. But yeah, hopefully that all works well. It'll be running off 4G, so fingers crossed it works well. And then at some point, what I might do is utilize the 4G connection below ground, and I might put a camera up here. So we might put a camera here so you can actually look into the post as I knock everything over. So you can actually look into the post during the open day. So I'll see if I can do that. I'll have a little test of that beforehand and see if I can do that. But yeah, just wanted to show you that. Really, really pleased with that. That's 13 years of hunting and searching culminates in that. So yeah, so happy. So happy. But listen, folks, as always, thank you very, very much for watching. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.